High in the mountains of ancient Gandhara, there lies a sacred monument, a sentinel of history, shrouded in mystery and reverence. This is Mohra Muradu Stupa. An architectural marvel from a time when the teachings of Buddha echoed across Asia. And the Gandhara region was the heart of a thriving spiritual and cultural movement. Amidst the rugged mountains of present-day Pakistan, Mohra Muradu Stupa rises from the earth, a relic of a time when Buddhism was more than a belief. It was a way of life. Built over 1,800 years ago, this stupa once welcomed pilgrims, scholars, and monks, carrying with it the weight of their hopes, prayers, and dreams. Gandhara is a land of crossroads, where east meets west and philosophies converge. Mohra Muradu was part of this grand narrative. More than just a stupa, it was a beacon of spiritual enlightenment, rising from the ashes of time, carrying within it the ancient teachings of Buddha, passed down through generations. Unlike other stupas in the region, Mohra Muradu defies expectations. Its square drum, a departure from the usual round base, suggests an influence not just of Indian tradition, but of Greco-Roman design. Every stone, every curve speaks of a blend of cultures, an architectural symphony where the sacred meets the sublime. The stupa stands on the shoulders of finely carved Corinthian columns, sculpted from soft Kanjur stone. This stone, so easily shaped by ancient hands, now bears the scars of time, yet still holds within it the craftsmanship of an era long gone. In its prime, the stupa was not just a structure, it was a canvas. Adorned with vibrant friezes depicting the life of the Buddha, its walls told stories of enlightenment and sacrifice. Though many of these details have faded into history, what remains still speaks of a time when art and spirituality were inseparable. This was a place of devotion, but also of learning. Mohra Muradu wasn't just a sanctuary for the soul, it was a monastery, home to monks who spent their lives in pursuit of knowledge and peace. Here, in these ancient halls, they meditated, taught, and kept the flame of the Buddha's teachings alive. For centuries, pilgrims journeyed here from far and wide, drawn to the stupa's sacred relics. It was believed these relics, ashes of monks, enshrined within, held great spiritual power. In this place, they sought divine blessings, connecting themselves to something eternal, something larger than life. The Gandhara region was a cradle of artistic innovation, and Mohra Muradu was part of this vibrant tapestry. Here, the fusion of Greco-Roman and Indian styles birthed a new visual language, one that traveled far beyond Gandhara, influencing Buddhist art throughout Asia. Though time has left its mark on Mohra Muradu, efforts to preserve its legacy continue. Archaeologists work tirelessly to safeguard these ancient stones, piecing together the story of this sacred place so that future generations may stand in awe of its legacy. Mohra Muradu Stupa stands not only as a monument to the past, but as a testament to the enduring power of faith, culture, and art. Its story, etched into the very stones of Gandhara, remains timeless. And though the centuries may pass, its spirit will continue to inspire all who walk in the footsteps of history.